In this video, I want to go over your Google My Business site, which you can access by clicking here. And this is one of those things you do just because Google tells you to. This is an extremely simple website, a one-page website, where you can have your business name, a call now button, and schedule time if you allow customers to schedule times with you. You can have an image. It automatically syndicates the posts that you do on your GMB to the site. As you can see, these two. You can manage them and create them as well. And it automatically syndicates as well the pictures you upload to your website, as well as some videos, as well as the services and the reviews. They also display the positive reviews here, They also display the about us section that you wrote in the info. It is also syndicated here. All the gallery, videos, images, and of course your call is now button and your opening hours. You can see the site, just preview it, just like so. Super simple, nothing much, just a one-pager website, which you can create just by going here. You can change the theme, you can put your brand colors, you can edit some of the fields. Okay, you can set an appointment link, for example. This will depend on your business, of course. You can write your body, you can even add links here. So as you can see, if we do this, we can add a link right here. And let me just double check if these links are do follow or no follow. Most likely they'll be no follow, but let's just double check. Oh, actually they are do follow. Okay, so this is a way you can get a link from a business site, so a Google property, a do follow link back to your site, which is always great. We want to start building these links up. And let me just be clear, your goal isn't to rank this site, because this is a one-pager site with not that much content. This is just another property you're putting out there to give Google the idea that your brand is authoritative. It has several touch points people can find you at. So all the social media, all your website, your GMB, this website. Then in the future we'll be creating a Google Sites. So all of these things will add up, trust me. And that's part of the reason why you should bother doing this, because like I said, this won't rank by itself, won't give you much value, but first of all, it's something that Google tells you and recommends you do, because if it is here, it's because Google wants you to do. So indirectly, you'll have an advantage over the competitors that don't have it. And then it's yet another touch point, like I was saying, for your brand. So you have several pillars for your brand, and this business site is yet another one. And also I think Google provides this for people that don't actually have a website. This is a way of providing local businesses with a way to have a website on the internet. So this, in my opinion, is more for businesses that, for example, don't have the funds to build a website, or for people that aren't that tech savvy. Google provides them with a way to build a quick one-pager website so they have a presence online. That's basically it for this video. Super straightforward, but I just wanted to tell you why you should create it and how to create it. How you can create it, it's super simple. Why you should create it, I already explained why. And the reason behind it existing, I also explained you why. And I almost forgot, but of course you want to make this keyword optimized. Never forget about that. So every single place where you can write, every single text input, make sure to have your keyword in there. Okay, headline, description, summary, the body. Okay, make sure that every single thing that you build is keyword optimized. So make sure to include your main keyword in there, some long tail variations of your keyword, your service areas, what you do. Make sure to always be thinking like that, thinking with the mindset of optimization. Don't just half-ass create properties. Make sure if you're having the word to create, then make sure to keyword optimize them. And this goes for everything, even citations, which we'll talk about later on. But yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. Make sure to optimize every single property you create, this GMB site as well.